how do you expect an investor to come and say, listen, I will...
A master of reinvention. I always think the bright side of things. I never give in. I dream big.
This amazing thing.
Yeah, I could give you the other list of the things what's wrong with me.
No, we don't want that list. Thank you so much. Okay, who's next?
No, it's fine. It's just a table, right?
No, you too are part of it.
Not with. I adapt like a chameleon. I speak.
Accept my failures and I try to deal with it. I'm remarkable because
I am remarkable because I worked through my undergraduate and my master's degree to pay for university, and I got a first-class degree. And I managed to still save up enough to take an unpaid traineeship here in Brussels.
I don't let negative thoughts stop me from achieving what I want.
Yeah.
Anything from being an awesome swimmer.
Sorry. That's not that impressive. I was a municipal councillor, and yeah, I did a lot of stuff for my city. I have mastered
them easily. I like seeing the big picture rather than looking small details.
I believe in myself. I love myself. Yes. I'm so patient today, all people.
I'm a go-getter. I fight for my ambition and my dreams. I'm open-minded. I'm courageous. I can adapt easily.
You can see my face like, wow.
I'm remarkable because I'm trying to build my own art therapy practice.
I graduated from 3 universities, completed countless courses on personal.
Try to find the positive in people and leave out the negative. Believe there are better things are yet to come for me or anyone else. So whatever I have now, I believe I...
Hi everyone, my name is Aisha. I attended this event today in Brussels. I just thought it was really amazing hearing stories from all these remarkable women. I felt inspired, and I am remarkable because I lead digital. Thank you.
A big thank you to Nadia and her team for organizing this wonderful workshop. I'm remarkable because I lead digital.
I'm Gary from My 5 Co-working Brussels. I'm really happy to host Chilis Digital today for the I'm Remarkable workshop. What I can see since 4 months is that Nadia from Chilis Digital is working hard to help women developing their digital skills. I'm really happy to see this energy, working ladies. I see the engagement on Instagram, and yeah, if I can support her further, I will happily do it.
Hi, my name is Marco Cagnolati. I'm part of the She Leads Digital family. I worked as the program manager this summer, and I got a chance to work with Nadia and the amazing team at She Leads Digital. Why did I join She Leads Digital? I'd say I managed to see the ad for the position as contributor and administration in the position, and I thought, honestly, at the beginning I was kind of skeptical, but then I got to speak to Nadia and I got to see it was actually a lady with a lot of passion for what she does, and she managed to inspire me. I never thought I'd get involved in an organization about empowering women in technology. I need to be empowered myself. I don't know anything about technology. And honestly, I thought I wouldn't regret this choice. Beautiful organization, beautiful the work, and I've got to see the results and the time, and honestly, I have my full support behind it.
To say any much because they have all said it, and to hear what they have said is very emotional for me right now, because a year ago I wouldn't have thought, you know what, I'm going to build an organization that's going to impact lives and make people want to be part of it and say so much sweet words and actually mean it. So She Leads Digital is here because we want to be able to help any woman who's looking to build her business. We take the digital problems away from you. We help you to build your website, we help you to build your application, we help you to get digitalized. And I've seen how tech and the digital world has improved my life, and I want to share that with you. So if you're looking for a way to start your business or start your website, come to us and we will be there for you. So, it sounds a bit cocky, but it's true. We will be there for you.